Good afternoon. Welcome to my channel. Today I came up with another notification, that is UPSC recruitment for National Defense Academy and Naval Academy. Two posts for this examination is there, friends. Let's see how to apply that examination. You have to apply this examination through online by using the website upsconline.nic.nic.in. Brief instruction for filling up the online application form have been given in the appendix 2. Friends, I have given this notification link in description box. You have in this notification they have gave lot of rules. Please download it guys and see it once again. I will explain. Last date for the submission and withdrawal of application is on 29th June till 6 pm. And they have also told that withdrawal of application also you can do, but the last date for that is 12th July, from 6th July 2021 to 12th July till 6 pm. Next is the eligible candidate shall be issued admit card week before the commencement of the examination. Okay guys, next see here the penalty for wrong answers also there, negative marking also there, and next they have telling that black pen must be used in the examination. And mobile phones, please don't take and go in the examination hall, even in switch off mode also. Next see the centers of examination, lots of there, Agartala, Ahmedabad, Aijwal, Allahabad, Bengaluru, Bareilly, Bhopal, Chandigarh, Chennai, Cuttack, Dehradun, Delhi, Dharwad, Dispur, Gangtok, Hyderabad, Imphal, Itanagar, Jaipur, Jammu, Jorat, Kochi, Kohima, Kolkata, Lucknow, Madurai, Mumbai, Nagpur, Panaji, Goa, Patna, Port Blair, Raipur, Ranchi, Sambalpur, Shimla, Srinagar, Thiruvananthapuram, Tirupati, Udaipur, and Vishakhapatnam. These are the location you have to select in the while applying the examination through online. Let's see the what are eligibility for nationality. First one they have telling the citizen of India, and very most important, a candidate must be unmarried male and must be citizen of India, a subject of Nepal, the person of Indian origin who have migrated from Pakistan, Burma, Sri Lanka, and East African countries of Kenya, Uganda, and the United Republic of Tanzania, Zambia, Malawi, Zaire, and Ethiopia and Vietnam with the intention of permanently settling in India. Next, age limits. Only unmarried male candidates born not earlier than 2nd January 2003 and not later than 1st January 2006 are eligible. Here they have note 5 also given. Candidates should not be only date of birth as recorded in the matriculation or secondary school examination. The candidate should also note that once date of birth has been claimed by them, enter in the records of the commission purpose of admission of the examination. No change will be allowed subsequently. The candidate should exercise due care while entering their date of birth in the respective column of the online application form of the examination. The candidate should also note that no addition or deletion, any changes are allowed in the online application form NDA and any examination. The candidate must undertake not to marry until they complete full training. Next, the education qualification. For Army Wing of National Defense Academy, 12th class pass of 10+2 pattern of school education or equivalent examination conducted by a state education board or a university. For Air Force and Naval Wings National Defense of Academy, for the 10+2 cadet entry scheme at the Indian Naval Academy, 12th class pass with physics, chemistry, and mathematics of the 10+2 pattern of school education or equivalent conducted by the state education board or university. Okay guys, here also they have given no notes. You have to download this one. You will see guys. And fee accepting the SC/ST candidates, sons of JCOs, NCOs who are specified in note 2 below who are exempted payment of fee are required to pay a fee of 100 rupees 100 only, either by depositing the money in a branch of SBI by cash or by using net a facility of SBI by using Visa or MasterCard. You have to pay it. Candidate accepting SC/ST candidates, sons of JCOs, they will not pay. ORs, NCOs, they will not pay. For them free except those candidates. Okay guys. Here they also given the syllabus also. Let's see that one also. Here the scheme of examination for subject mathematics code 1 2.5 hours will be there, that is for 300 marks. General ability test 2.5 hours there for 600 marks, total 900 marks. SSB test interview 900 marks. That the paper in the all subject will consist of objective type questions only. The question papers test booklets of mathematics and part B of general ability test will be set bilingually in Hindi as well as English. Who are comfortable in Hindi, they will choose Hindi. Who are comfortable in English, they will choose them. In one paper, they will give both. Here, the syllabus of examination also they give algebra, matrices and determinants, trigonometry, analytical geometry, and 2-3 dimensions, differential calculation, integral calculus. Lots of there for general ability test, English, general knowledge, physics, chemistry, general science, history, freedom, movement, geography, current events. Their intelligence personality test also they will take a personal interview also. And the instruction to candidate filling applications also they have to please guys download this notification. I have given in link in description box. Please download it and you have see all the rules and how to apply this and how to prepare the exam also. Hope you guys like this video. Give a thumbs up and give a like also. Thumbs up is nothing but like and please subscribe the channel and share this video to your friends also. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe this.